Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about Luna Classic, Terra 2.0 and UST. If you have been paying attention to the chart, Luna Classic did have a strong pullback in the past 4 hours as the whales decided to take the money out and put it into Terra 2.0. At the same time, Terra 2.0 in the past 2 hours is up about 200%, closing in close to $6. Could this mean that whale manipulation is quite strong and you have to be careful? There is a lot to talk about today. Before we get into it, if you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Luna Classic, Terra 2.0, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, completely free to do so. It just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people see the incredible side of Luna. They decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up more and we all make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, I want to talk to you guys about something really important. The past 4 hours for Luna Classic have not been the best, especially the last 1 hour. As you guys can see, we did have an extreme strong pullback which nearly made it all the way back to the previous support, and that's probably where a lot of people's buy orders would have been triggered, and that actually helped it pull back to its original spot. Right now we are sitting on a very strong support as well, but we need to make sure that we do not break below this, as this could be very scary. Before we look more at the chart, I want to talk to you guys about something extremely important. So I've never seen a better example for the phrase "a picture is more than 1,000 words, community united as one." And what he's talking about is when this whole of the thing actually happened, you guys can see that 95% of the community has already voted, and out of the 95%, 99.9% have voted yes towards this proposal. This clearly shows the fact that the whole community wants the exact same thing, which is trying to get this proposal implemented, which is 1.2% burn rate. And another thing which is really interesting is this is really interesting and a little scary, and this might be one of the reasons why we had such a strong pullback. Binance just moved 2.4 trillion coins from hot wallet to its Binance stake wallet. Now I am close to a heart attack. As you guys can see, it was slowly building up, and they were actually starting to buy more into it, and then in one go they decided to move all of it to a different wallet. This could be a little scary, and also this could have been one of the reasons why a lot of big whales or retail investors decided to take profit, and that could be one of the reasons for the strong pullback we just witnessed in the last 4 hours. Another thing which is really interesting is, as we are talking about all this, as you can see that the stake tokens for Luna Classic has slowly started to slow down. 7.7% was literally what it was in the past 24 hours, and it has not moved. This shows that a lot of people are being a little skeptical in terms of if they want to take profit or hold it long term. The reason I'm mentioning all this is you guys need to keep a little bit of an idea. A lot of the people in the community are very excited to see it pump, but there are some people, which are whales, are deciding to also take profit, which could have a significant pullback. And as you guys can see right now, that is what we are witnessing. Now keep in mind, since the 7th of September, which is last 48 hours, we have been in a green trend for the super trend, but just in the past 4 hours after the strong pullback, as you guys can see, it has been flipped into a downtrend. Could this mean that the downtrend is going to carry? No, this could be replaced very soon as well, but it just means that right now you do have to be very careful if you are leverage trading. On the RSI line, you guys can see we saw a strong pullback. Right now we are sitting in the middle. That means we can also see a pull back up very quickly, but this could also mean that we can go down very quickly. As you can see that the sell orders are starting to very significantly outweigh the buy orders. Could this be starting to something that a lot of people start taking profit? Right now I do not want to agree to it, but as you guys can see, as we're getting closer to the 20th of September, more and more rumors are building up. When the news drops, there is going to be a lot of people taking profit. It sounds like I'm talking negative, but I'm just trying to make you guys aware, because a lot of people I know would want to just hear the positive side, but you do need to know the negative side to make sure that you are in the right spot. Right now the trend still looks very positive, don't get me wrong, it looks incredible. If you look from here, it is still in a very strong positive trend, but you need to make sure that these supports need to be hit, and then it keeps growing. Now right now, as you can see, the higher highs are starting to just stay in the middle zone, which means we were in a strong consolidation period for about 24 hours, but then a lot of whales and retail investors decided to take profit. Now this is not negative, not everything is negative in this video, but there is a couple of very positive things, which is right now this could be one of the reasons why we might be able to see an extreme rally up. And what I'm trying to say is these people who do not believe in Luna Classic right now, who are taking profit, once they're gone, all the people who do believe in the token will stick around and will be the people that will make the most profit. And also over here, you guys can see the trading volume is down about 20%, which is not bad at all because the market cap is still being outweighed by the trading volume. And you can see the trading volume to the market cap ratio is 101%, which is insane. Right now, it is still doing very well. This is just a small hassle that we have to go through, but keep in mind that UST has started to perform positively. Now keep in mind, UST and Luna Classic, they are always interlinked, and if UST was one of the reasons why Luna Classic wasn't able to see an extreme growth, right now it has the full potential to go explosive as UST is starting to show a positive sign. Another thing is Terra 2.0 has gone extremely explosive. As you guys can see, it is up about 200% today. It went from $2 all the way to $6, and this is clearly showing the fact that the people who took the money out of Terra Classic decided to pump it into Terra 2.0, as the trading volume is up 1,000%, which is just insane. There is no words to describe how well that is doing. A couple of other pointers which I wanted to talk to you guys about is some of the reasons why we saw such a big explosive move by Terra Classic. First of all, it is outperforming the crypto market. Once the staking service was opened, a lot of people decided to buy into it. The burn rate is coming through, and a lot of people are actually confused why all of this is causing Luna Classic to go explosive. And right now, as you guys can see, there is a lot of things which are starting to show that Luna Classic will be making a strong recovery. Another thing is crypto exchange Upbit sued for delaying Luna transfers while Luna Terra crashed. Now Upbit is a South Korean crypto exchange, and let's just say they have been under a lot of trouble for the Luna crash, and this is one of the massive things that could be resulting in a big investors losing a lot of money. And personally, it's really sad to see this, and obviously over time they will have to resolve all this to make sure that they could be in the green light. And another very positive thing is Huobi will support 1.2% tax burn rate for the proposal, and this is actually a very big trading platform. I personally used it myself. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys might have heard of it as well. Now keep in mind, right now there is a lot of whale manipulation, but there are big exchanges which are backing up Luna Classic. But as you can see from Terra 2.0, right now there is just too much whale manipulation, so be very careful in terms of how close we are going to be in the near future. And finally, I want to show you guys this. Investors are starting to pump more and more into Luna Classic, but as more money is taken out of Luna Classic, Terra 2.0 is getting all the promotion it needs, and it can be seen right here. They're trying to pump it as much as possible so they can make the most profit out of it. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Terra and also Luna, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you are there, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.